Hello and good morning again, boys and staff. It's been a very strange few last days having the whole of 10BB away home and a lot of other boys, about over 70 boys of a year group away. I hope that shows you how important everybody is to our year group. And I hope that anybody who's off, that they'll be able to be well and that we'll be able to see you back soon. In the meantime, it's good for you to think about the future. And in case something happens and you're home, how are you going to deal with the days that you're off? I hope that you are prepared and disciplined enough to think that in school or at home, these are the times that you're supposed to be studying, that you will keep working and you'll keep moving forward. For the guys at home, I hope you'll keep working away, keep exercising, keep following all the guidelines we've given you. And if you have any problem, it's important that you get back to the teachers as soon as possible. It's important that we all take initiative. Again, I repeat, it's important that we follow guidelines and that all of us do the best we can to make sure everybody stays safe. I want to believe that you, as the young people, can make a difference. This time around, we can see that with most of you being off school, what a big impact that is to our college and just generally to the teaching morale. I hope when you are at home again, you can see the complications that does to parents having to look after yourselves and having to go to work at the same time. It's important that we have that constantly so that that guides our behavior and that guides our care. Remember, wear your masks, clean your hands, stay as far as you can from others. The 2 meters distancing is so important. Do it for yourself, and we do it all for everybody. We look forward to having you just another few days, and we're going to be out on a break and just again get our energies back and come back prepared to do the next bit of our term. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.